Okay, the next renewable resource is wind. You've probably heard a lot about wind. It's very popular in the eastern part of this state. There's a lot of other states that have installed wind turbines, not only on the land, but in the ocean. What's great about wind power, we have no pollution whatsoever. It does use some rare earth elements, so we have some strain on that because a lot of those come from China and some areas outside of the United States. And it's kind of a difficult process producing some of the magnets with those rare earth elements. But one modern wind turbine can actually produce enough power for 2,500 homes. So this is a great source. The price has been coming down tremendously over time, and it's actually the cheapest energy source right now. It's cheaper than coal. It's 5 times cheaper than nuclear. So one of the problems we have is it's not windy everywhere, and it's not consistently windy everywhere. There are some places where we can pick where it is very windy, like Cut Bank, Montana is windy. There's parts of Wyoming that are consistently windy. And so we want to maximize those areas and use them there. We're working on storage because, again, a lot of times the windiest times don't always match our energy demands. So we got to find ways to store that by compressing air or pumping water up into a large reservoir up a hill and then letting it flow down the hill and turn a turbine through that. Fuel cells could be helpful here. There's a lot of different methods for ways that we could store this energy, and we're working on that. And once those storage methods are produced, then solar and wind power will be huge in helping support economies and manage all of this.